Hey everyone, this is Helen Dombalis. I serve as Executive Director of the National Farm to School Network. I'm coming to you today from my home in Colorado, both as an ED of a national food systems organization and as a parent, a mama, and a whole person navigating the COVID crisis. I share with you all anxieties for today and for tomorrow. And I also have a lot of hope for how we're going to emerge from this. So I wanted to share with you a little bit of that. First, I will say that in communities where our partners have set up farm to school and farm to early care and education programs, they're working just as they were designed to do. The community food systems approach is all about relationship, it's all about community, and it's all about working together. So we're seeing this beautiful resiliency, this adaptation, this creativity, this innovation. For example, even though schools may not be able to purchase, just as they had planned this spring to support farmers and producers, because of the relationships that were already in place, other customers are showing up and supporting those growers and those producers right now. School nutrition staff, who are always heroes, are sending packets of seeds home along with school meals. So kids and their families are able to eat for today and they are able to plant hope through these gardens at home for the future. And then virtual learning is incorporating lessons about food and agriculture because the kids that are eating today are going to be leaders tomorrow. And so they're learning about the injustices in our food systems so that they can contribute to the National Farm to School Network's vision in the long term. And that vision is a just food system. So the mainstream media, and this I think has been a silver lining, is starting to talk a lot more about the breakdowns in our food and agriculture systems, our education system, our public health system, economic, environment, the list goes on. And Farm to School uniquely sits at the intersection of all those. And what I'll offer and share with you all is that you could view them as broken, but at the National Farm to School Network, what we see and what we know is that they in fact are working just as they were designed to work. For example, in the food system, it's been set up to grow and produce certain foods in certain ways for certain people. And all of that at the expense of other people, of our planet. And in particular, it's exploitation of communities of color, exploitation of our planet, and certainly there is racism built in to the fabric of our policies and our systems in the United States and as a global society. And so I want you all to know that yes, there's beautiful resiliency in the farm to school programs and in the community food systems that have been built by our network of partners and communities across the country. And we also know that we have a lot of work to be done. And as a mom of a 2.5-year-old, and as the leader of the National Farm to School Network, I am committed to responding right now in ways that are going to set us up for a more just food system tomorrow. Our tagline is growing stronger together. And I know that as a brighter light gets shown on the injustices in our society, more people are going to join us. More people are going to see that there is a resiliency and there is beauty. There is an incredible strength in the community food systems and farm to school approach. Thank you to all of those of you on the front lines. I know it is a privilege to not be on the front lines, to be able to stay at home. Thank you for what you're doing to support us today and to set us up for success tomorrow. Onward we go. Thank you.